What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am Residentevilyoface, and I am playing some more Condemned Criminal Origins. I'm about to start Chapter 3. Let's get into it. Alright, here we are in Chapter 3. Alright, suspect was last seen passing through this area. Track him down. Alright, picking up where we left off in Chapter 2. We crossed through that door. Alright. Now we're in the train station, or subway station, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Anything over here? Got a trash can, nothing important though. Alright, let's head down here, I guess. Got a dead body already. All these damn crackheads. Alright. Oh! Hey! Stop right there! Stop it! Hey, I shocked you! Come back here, bitch! You motherfucker, I'm gonna get you. Oh, hey! Alright then. Well, alright. Alright, we need an axe to break down this door. Where do we get said axe? Oh, hello. Hey! You got something I want. Oh shit. I don't have a weapon. Gotta keep running. Alright. Now I can take your axe and kill you with it. Hey bitch, come back here. Motherfucker. Hey, there's another axe right here. I never noticed that. Cool. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'll take that. Alright then. Alright. Where's that axe? There it is. Don't know how many bullets are left in that revolver. I'll go back and check here in a second. Let's break down this door. Come on, keep it going. Alright, so how much bullets were left? There it is. 3 bullets. Yeah, I'll keep it. Alright. Oh, my flashlight wasn't on. Move that. Can I get through here, please? Thank you. Can I open that? No. Can I open this? No. Can I open this? Yes, I can. What's in here? Oh, bird. Gross. Alright, I'll take it. Okay. Alright, we're on the other side of that gate. Let's continue searching for the serial killer. The suspect. Oh, hello. Headshot. What's up, bitch? Damn it! Yeah, bitch. Alright, I'll take that pipe. Fuck! Not do so good there. Motherfucker. I'm about to die, just realized that. Come on, bitch. Alright. So I need a health pack. The fuck was that? Alright. Just forget that. Alright, I need a health pack before I die. It's a bit careless while trying to fight that guy. Come on, give me a health pack. Any health packs anywhere? Alright, checkpoint. Whoa. Okay. Shit, I really need a health pack. Come on. I'm going to die. And boom, bitch. Okay, alright. I need something. Come on, bitch. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Oh, shit. Oh! Motherfucker came from behind. You know, I think that's the first time I died in this Let's Play so far. Alright, let's try it again. Okay, seriously, how am I supposed to survive with that much health? Oh, there's some health packs over there. Found some health packs, just need to get to them. Make a break for it. Come on. Alright, come on. Come on, do something. Bitch! Come on. Oh my god, you're annoying. Wait, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I glitched. I glitched. I glitched through the door. I don't know what's going on. I glitched. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Shit. Alright, let's work this out. Let's work this out. Open door. Okay, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Just kill me, get it over with. I'm already fucked up. I fucked up. Oh, alright, I'm free. Oh, bitch. How about you just screw up? I'm not gonna die after just getting out of that glitch. Alright? That's just not gonna happen. Alright, if I can get back into that room, I can use the other health pack. Fuck you, man. Alright, make a break for the other health pack. Oh, shit. Go this way. There we go. This is not going so well. Why'd you kill your friend? Or is he your friend? He looked like you. You're wearing the same clothes. Come on. And fuck you. Okay. Well, that was quite a predicament. But I somehow survived it. Alright, let's keep going. Keep on keeping on. Can't get through here, can I? Nope. Can't just like jump over that bar there. Gotta go around. Go the long way. Oh shit! Give me that shotgun, motherfucker. Give it to me. Give it to me. Bitch. Come out of nowhere. Thanks for the 3 shells. Did I see something drop in there? Yeah, something came out of there. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Alright, who broke those windows? Jesus. Okay. Alright. Looks like something went in there. Something came out of the vent here. It went through there. Right through there. Alright. Wait, I can move an object. Hey, a metal piece. Nice. Nice. Okay. Oh, shit. Ah, you wasted your last shotgun shell. Haha. Alright, there's a door over there I can... No, there's no glass. Alright, good. There's a door over there I think I can break open with an axe, so let's go see what's in there. Alright, 1 slice. 2 slice. What is in here? Some health packs. And a checkpoint! Checkpoints are good, yes. Very good indeed. Alright. Got the health packs. Got some cameras. Oh, hey! I see you! Oh, shit. Okay, then. Guess that's that. I need a crowbar. Hey, look what I found! A crowbar. Hey, a shotgun! Nice. Nice. About to go back and get my other shotgun, but this one has a few shots more than the other one, so I'll keep this one. Oh, but looks like I need an axe. Oh, wait. Nope. No, I don't. And fuck off. Bitch. Alright, I have 1 shot left. How much does this 45 caliber have? Alright, now I'll keep this. I guess we're going down here, huh? Alright. Yeah, this is the area we saw the suspect running through, so looks like we're on the right track. And it looks like we found another crow. If I can go and get it. Thank you. Alright, got 3 out of 6 birds already. That's cool, I guess. Anything over here? No? Alright. I can jump over this, right? Yeah, climb over it. Alright, let's go down here. Oh, where the fuck did you come from? Motherfucker. What the hell's going on? Okay, alright. Alright, so far so good. Got 6 bullets left. And you're not dead, seriously? Dead now. Got 3 bullets left. You know, I think I am using these bullets wisely. I already killed a few, like 3 people with it, so you know, it's going good. It's going good. Alright, let's get a health pack. Do I go down there? Looks like there's some more stuff over here. I'll check that out first. Yeah, a lot of people dead in here. Alright, this is just a dead end. Any birds though? You'd think this would be a place to hide a bird or something, or a metal piece. Alright, let's head over to the other place, the other staircase. Yeah, it's a Metro Central. Alright, let's head down here. Hey, a bird. Nice. Nice. Always loved picking up dead, diseased birds. Alright, what's over here? Anything important? Anything at all? Alright, suspect is on the train. Climb aboard before he gets away. Alright. Let's do that. Jump down. Goddamn checkpoints. Alright. Climb onto train. This does not seem very safe. Hey, I had a gun. What happened to my gun? Really? Oh, motherfucker. It only had 3 bullets left, but oh well. But those 3 bullets could have come in handy. Alright, so what's going on here, huh? Alright, this is not very safe at all. What the hell was that? Alright, is anything gonna happen? Alright, so there's some people down there. And not much is going on here. Guess we're just gonna have to take the ride, see where it takes me. How's it going? We gonna fight? Bitch. Motherfucker, get off. Get off my train. Yeah, that's right, bitch. Oh, shit. Whoa. Whoa. I don't want to die this way. Oh, shit. There's that motherfucker. Come on. Oh, shit. Don't get closer to the window. He's about to break it. You see him trying to break the window with the fire extinguisher. You get up close to the window. Is that really what you do? Is that really the right decision there? I don't know. I don't know. Alright, so that was chapter 3. It was shorter than I thought it was going to be, so I guess I'll do another chapter. See you guys in a bit.